That's one lot done.
Nice. I'm trying to see if I can keep an eye on him, but obviously he disappears when I can't get vision.
Two gold locks done, and it's his back door's open, back door's open, back door's open.
Coming.
Everyone get down here. I'll just put the back lock. Oh, two gold
I've got a
locks
frag.
open.
Oh, let me know when you're going to open it, I'll frag it. Okay, you
I need
ready?
to be the last one in there.
Alright, let me breach. Let me breach.
Open the door, I've got a frag.
Please don't kill me.
I've got flashbangs as well if needs be.
Everyone in.
Got him.
Check for the last guy, Malice, whatever. Oh, you need random, innit?
Yeah.
He's going to be spawning here, so be careful.
Where's his
This door's
bed?
locked. This door's locked. Could be behind this door.
Nice. I can't believe I picked that in like 8 attempts.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Epic.
What the
Epic,
fuck?
mate. I took a round there. I'm just gonna heal up.
Yeah, mate, I got you back. I got your door covered.
Heavy ballistic vest as well, lads. Got an AKS here as well somewhere.
I've grabbed it.
Nice, there's an M1, come grab that.
I'm just got eyes on this door. I'm just going to cover this door just in case.
Yeah.
No fucking door in it.
That was fucking sick picking that, I can't believe I got that.
3 goals in 8 seconds, was it?
2
Stupid.
golds.
I'm gonna take a piss in his house.
This lot?
Yeah. If it swings open, just dive to your right so I can shoot.
Oh mate, as if I just done that.
You're alright holding that long.
Yeah, there's the other door there as well.
Yeah.
I'm going to lock myself in this room.
This is silver
yeah.
or gold, call it.
Cold again mate, so we've got loot in here.
Yeah.
It's the fame points I'm worried about now.
Has he got a flag?
another-
It'll be better, won't it?
Yeah. You can't put flags on bases mate.
Oh yeah.
There's a military queever and a fucking M1 there. How much FP did you get off him?
About 20. Got plenty of FP. I'm holding this other door along.
Yeah.
Well, so you can't get shot through that window. That's what I was worried about.
Yeah, I've just proned up.
See, it could have been over. It could have been over. Oh, I've been over an hour ago if you just started lockpicking.
Mate, do you know what it was? Because it pissed me off that much. I thought I am getting in this fucking building now. I did it in 9 lockpicks. 2 gold locks.
Nice.
That's pretty fucking tasty.
In fact, all
What locks is that one?